Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can remove blur from a certain video on Capcut, but without blurring the part of the text. So without any delay, let's start with the video on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to remove if any part of the video has our text like it is on my video right now at the upper side, and you want to remove that part of that text without blurring the video, what you can do is, if you already have placed the video here, what you're going to do is overlay a video over it, the same video that we already have used. We're just going to tap on overlay, add overlay, and select the video that we used right now. After that, simply hit that add, and you can see that video has been added. So what you're going to do is, you're just going to crop this video. First of all, you can see this mask option. Just tap on mask. After that, you're going to select this rectangle option for you to make it easier, and you can invert it if you want. So inverting it, what does is you can see this box. Inside box is the video that we just had. So what we're going to do is, let's just go to the mask section first and place this video over the text. So just play that video. And you can see how I can remove it. So we're just going to invert the video. And we're going to place this video there. Let's zoom out this video like this. After that, we're going to adjust it accordingly so it becomes easier. Let me just go to the mask section from where we added the video. Just go to the mask section and we're going to place it here like this. We're just going to adjust it so that the video that we placed before, let me just zoom out, and you can see that certain part of the video has been removed very easily. So let me just turn on this mask again so that I can remove that corner side of the video and edit it accordingly. I'm just gonna make it smaller, and you can see that like and comment that text on my video has been removed successfully. So therefore, you can also follow the same method, and you should be able to remove certain part of the text from that particular video on your Capcut very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.